I made a cherry tiramisu with no eggs and it's gorgeous, just like you. Ingredients. Welcome to the best tiramisu you've ever had in your entire life. Today I'm making a maraschino and regular cherries tiramisu. This is going to be an elevated, incredible, celebratory tiramisu that is delicious, and it reminds me of one of my favorite ice cream I used to eat growing up in Rome. My brother and I absolutely obsessed over it. And guess what? All of it egg-free. We use no egg in our mascarpone cream. So, let's get going. It's super simple, super delicious, and to die for, just like you. The first thing we're gonna do is separate the maraschino cherries, also called amarene, from its juices. The smell of the maraschino cherries is delicious. And they're very easily obtainable on my Amazon storefront. They are Italian maraschino cherries, so they are going to be linked in all of the ingredients you can get right from Amazon. So we put this aside, but we're going to be using this, okay? In the layers. A splash of water in the juices. It's going to be the base for the cookies to be dipped in. Put it aside, and now we do our egg-free mascarpone cream for the layers. So we've got the cream, we're going to add powdered sugar, and we're going to make it into a whip that is delicious, fluffy, gorgeous. The whipped cream is ready. Now the mascarpone. We add the remaining of the sugar. And now we transfer the mascarpone whipped inside our whipped cream. Very important to be very delicate here because the mascarpone is heavy compared to the whipped cream. So you have to gently combine it by going from the bottom up and twisting it ever so lightly. So we add mascarpone a little bit at a time. And combine. Now we have some cherries. We're gonna create a little cherry mix for the mascarpone cream. And now we start with the layers. We've got the maraschino cherry juices for the cookies. We've got our container, we've got our cream, and some extra cherries which we're gonna put on top. Let's go. We're gonna sprinkle some maraschino's whole in this layer. And now we repeat the same layers. And when you're placing the maraschino cherries, try to put them close to the end. The edges, you want to show the edges if you have a clear glass bowl like this one. So satisfying. And now in the fridge while we prepare the final topping. For this step, we're caramelizing the cherries. It's a bonus just for you. So we're taking the cherries and we're halving them. Taking the pit out. Gonna keep them halved. Gonna put them in a little saucepan. And this is why when you cook and bake, you gotta have long nails. They come in handy. Take the pit out without destroying the cherry. It's important for the look. 2 tablespoons of water and 25 grams of light brown sugar. Cherries are almost caramelized. We're going to shave dark chocolate on top. If you want the extra girlies, use this. It's kind of cool. Little curls of dark chocolate. Mamma mia, ragazzi. The chocolate that's melting underneath the cherries caramelized is creating these top layers of gorgeousness. Mamma mia, guarda qua. Buono. Buono! Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And remember, you are just gorgissimo. And thank you for being a part of the Royal Court of Pasta. It's so exciting.